Hi guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on 3 of the new Covergirl Melting Pout lipsticks. So if you guys want to see what they look like, just continue watching this video. I do also have the name of the lipsticks in the left hand corner at the bottom of the screen. So if you guys are interested in wanting to find it out, just check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all. In a nutshell.